Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with day number 18 in our 24 Days of Christmas Secret Santa Swap hosted by Scrappy Tate. I'm sorry for all the crinkling, but I'm just dying to get into this. So cute. So hopefully you've been following along. You'll find the playlist at the end of the video. I've also linked all the other ladies who are participating in my description box below so you guys can go check them out and see all the gifts and loves that they're getting. I so appreciate Scrappy Tate for hosting this again this year. It is so much fun to participate in. I want to thank Sandy, my Secret Santa, for all the beautiful gifts she's given me thus far. I appreciate all of it. And look at these Hello Kitty. Are they resin pieces? Yeah. And then look at the sequins inside. I don't have any of that square sequins. And then she's gifted me some natural lip balm. Hello Kitty. And look at the stitching. So good. And then she's also included, oh how fun, some of these die cuts. This snowman is so cute. And he has a little pocket on his belly. How cute. So cute, so cute. Thank you so much, Sandy. I appreciate it so much. You've done such a great job. I've loved all the gifts I received so far. Thank you, thank you. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing to join me on this crafty journey. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate your love and support. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!